Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to set a passcode on your VK app to keep your account more secure. This guide will help you protect your messages and personal information easily. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are inside the Settings menu, look for App Settings and click on it. Then, you will find the Passcode option. Click on Passcode. Next, click on Create Passcode and enter a passcode of your choice. Be sure to remember this code as you will need it to access your VK app in the future. After entering it, repeat the passcode to confirm. Finally, click on Skip if any additional options appear. Your passcode is now activated and your VK account is more secure. Remember, taking small steps like this helps keep your personal information safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.